Three lakh rupees is a decent budget to go shopping for your dream motorcycle. And at that price, there are different flavors available for different folks, depending on your personality and preference, or the type of riding you do. From naked sports bikes, full-fed entry-level sports bikes, adventure bikes, and even retro-style modern classic bikes, there's something in that budget for everyone. So here's a look at the best motorcycles money can buy if you have a budget of around 3 lakh rupees. Let's start with the modern classics. The Royal Enfield 650 Twins offer two different flavors, a retro-style roadster as well as a sportier sibling in retro cafe racer styling. Yes, the Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT 650 may be based on the same engine and platform, but each bike offers a different flavor, a different ride experience. With prices at around 2,65,000 rupees for the Interceptor 650, going up to 2,80,000 for the Continental GT, the Royal Enfield 650 Twins offer super value for money and easily two of the best modern classic bikes you can buy even under 5 lakhs. There's a reason why the KTM 390 Duke makes it to this list. It's the best bang for your buck if you're looking for a performance naked under 3 lakh rupees. The 390 Duke offers a superb combination of performance, sharp handling, and affordability, even from an ownership perspective. With a single cylinder engine that has more than enough punch to make every ride enjoyable, the KTM 390 Duke is still one of the best performance nakeds you can buy, even up to 5 lakh rupees. For the racetrack junkies and true blue sport bike fans, the full-fed version based on the 390 Duke platform, the KTM RC 390 offers superb value, sharp handling, impressive performance, and with all the qualities to take to riding on a racetrack, the RC 390 is one of the best beginner sport bikes to hit the track occasionally with. And it's got more than enough performance even to keep experienced riders entertained. The entry-level models from BMW Motorrad offer superb options for the discerning motorcycle buyer. While both are made in India by none other than TVS, both the BMW G310R and the BMW G310 GS offer two distinctive flavors of motorcycling. The G310R is a naked roadster and speaks volumes of fit and finish, design and engineering. While the R is primarily built for daily commute and in-city use, the BMW G310 GS ups the capability level several notches higher, combining everyday practicality with long-distance touring and the occasional off-the-beaten-track adventure. The BMW 310s will now be more affordable and accessible. And if the naked and adventure models leave you wanting for more, there's also the very likable entry-level sport bike based on the same platform, but with a TVS name. The TVS Apache RR 310, TVS Motor Company's flagship, offers a combination of premium looks, great handling, and next-level features, including a full-color instrument panel with race telemetry and a long list of information. If the KTM RC 390 feels too track-focused, the Apache RR 310 offers a superb balance of everyday practicality and being a superb occasional racetrack companion as well. The only entry-level sport bike with a parallel twin engine, the Kawasaki Ninja 300, may have been replaced in international markets by the Ninja 400, but it continues to soldier on in India. A combination of superb looks, a smooth and refined, as well as a free-revving parallel twin engine, the Ninja 300 offers a great stepping stone into the Kawasaki brand. A new and updated Ninja 300 is expected to be launched soon, with prices hovering around the 3 lakh mark. Last but not the least, the KTM 390 Adventure offers a superb package in that budget with a combination of everyday practicality, long distance touring capability, and more than enough suspension travel to take on some hardcore off road duties. While the India Spec 390 Adventure may not get adjustable front suspension, it's still a very capable adventure bike, built for the daily commute, long distance duties, and even taking on some real off road responsibilities.